Young people, teenagers, for me, this is the time to experiment, to learn things, to try things. Now is the time. Learn everything you can. Find out the things that you're good at. Find out the things that you're not good at. Learn new skills. Make contacts. Act as an apprentice, whether that's in a career, under the kind of wing of an entrepreneur or somebody in a line of business that you want to learn from. Key skills that are always going to make you money: sales, marketing, communication, understanding finance. Ultimately, most of the businesses that exist have very, very common principles. Recruit great staff, manage those staff, know how to view a set of accounts so that you know what a business looks like. All of these things for me are the things that you should be doing as a teenager, so that when you come into business later on in your life, you've got the full skill set of the toolbox. I guarantee if you've been doing this from 15, 16, 17, when you're 21, 22, 23, you will be light years ahead of your peers in terms of business knowledge and ability to make money.